I'm Sheri Winston. This is mini lesson number 2 from the upcoming Succulent Sexcraft book and its associated web pages and videos and other playful fun things. So in the first lesson we talked mostly about awareness and breath. Awareness being our number 1 skill of the mind and breath being our number 1 skill of the body. And now I want to add probably my all-time favorite skill, which is sound. Sound is the most multi-purpose, amazing tool you've got in your toolkit. And for a lot of people, we don't use it because our inhibitions about making sounds are so strong, especially sounds of pleasure. So what I want to encourage you to do now is connect your breath and your sound. So start, again, you might want to close your eyes because you might want to go inside, or you might want to keep them open and watch me, whatever works for you. But this is really about you playing with your tools. So start by taking that nice deep breath in and letting it out with a sigh. Breathing nice and deep and sighing it out. And another one. And as you're sighing your breath out, start to make your sigh a little bigger. A little juicier. A little bit more release on that sigh, like the end of a long day when you've come home from work and you're just flopping on the couch. You can add some body to it. Or quietly. Releasing. Softening. Playing with a sigh. And a sigh is a great first sound to play with because it's one of the sounds that's okay. It's one of the permissible sounds. Now let's take that same breathing and sound and just change it a little from a sigh to something a little different. You can play with different sounds, but let's start with an ah. A nice big breath in and ah. And breathing in and ah. 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 Breathing out with an ah, and allowing the sound to open you. Ah. Allowing the sound to sink down. Ah. Allowing yourself to move with the sound. Ah. Letting it get bigger. Ah. Ah. And wider. Ah. Letting your whole face relax into the ah. Letting the pleasure of it fill you up. Ah. Ah. Quieter. Ah. Whispery. Ah. Softly. And quietly. And then notice. How do you feel? What happened with that sound? What happened as you allowed it to move, or to change, or to open? What's going on right now in your body? Are you noticing anything interesting? I'm noticing my fingers tingling. I'm noticing I feel more relaxed. I noticed as I went into it that my face started to shift and relax and open. What did you notice? That's the key. That's really the way to learn how to become an erotic virtuoso, is to tune in to what happens when you play with your own tools and toolkit. I'm going to guide you through one more little sound. Let's do the same thing, but make a different sound. We're running a different experiment. Make an O sound this time. Again, starting softly and quietly. Oh. Again. Oh. Allowing the sound to move through your mouth. Ah. Allowing it to open your throat. All the way down into your chest. Letting it get bigger. Or lower. Or softer. Or faster. See where it can take you. Quieter. Whispering. Softly. And then just the shape of the sound. And then take a moment. Close your eyes if they're not closed. Tune in and notice how you feel. Just check in with yourself. Notice what changed. Notice what didn't. Notice what's going on with your thinking, or your body, or your emotions, or your sensations. Run the experiment and notice what happened for you. And that's it. That's the end of our little mini class for today. That was playing with sound and breath and awareness and running little experiments to see what happens. This is Sheri Winston. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling better than I was when I started. So I hope you are too. And I hope you enjoyed our little mini Succulent Sexcraft class and this little teaser for the Succulent Sexcraft book. I'm Sheri Winston here at the Center for the Intimate Arts.